This is just simply a letter opener I'm using as a pointer. I'm trying to focus. This is on my arm. You can see I don't have a great deal of good light. Let's focus on my arm. See these indents here? And there's some here. The skin's gone very dry all over, and you'll see there's a lot of indents, but you can see the pattern of indents here and the pattern of indents here. Okay, that's from the I've been calling them radio waves, but they could very well be microwaves. That's why they're burning my skin. I don't know, but that's the evidence of where they impact my arm. That's on my left arm. I'll scan out a little bit. That's my left upper arm. That's a constant. That's where I believe a bion is. And on the other arm, where I believe another bion is, if I can find it. Just trying to get this.